$100 a day online in the USA is a very realistic goal in 2026, but it requires moving past penny-paying surveys and focusing on scalable systems. Most successful Americans hit this target by combining high-demand skills with the right platforms. Here is a comprehensive step-by-step guide to achieving a consistent $100 per day online. 1. The freelance service arbitrage. The fastest way to $100 is selling a service. In 2026, the demand for AI-assisted content and short-form video editing is at an all-time high. Step-by-step execution. 1. Skill acquisition, days 1 to 5. Spend a week mastering 2 to 3 specific AI tools like chatgpt for copywriting or Midjourney for graphic design, and a mobile editor like CapCut. 2. Portfolio building, days 6 to 10. Create 5 sample projects. If you want to be a video editor, take a popular podcast clip and turn it into a high-energy TikTok/reel with captions and emojis. 3. Platform setup. Create profiles on Upwork and Fiverr. Tip: do not list yourself as a generalist. List yourself as a short-form video specialist for real estate agents. Specificity allows you to charge more. 4. Pricing for $100. Asterisk charge $35 per edited video. To hit $100, you only need 3 clients per day. As you get faster, 3 videos might only take you 2 hours. 2. Print on demand, POD. This is a low-risk way to sell physical products without holding inventory. You design it, a third party prints and ships it. Step-by-step execution. 1. Niche research. Don't just make cool shirts. Use tools like Google Trends or Etsy search to find specific subcultures, e.g., minimalist desk decor for remote programmers. 2. Design. Use Canva or Printify's built-in design tools. High contrast, text-based designs often outsell complex art. 3. Integration. Link Printify or Printful to an Etsy shop or TikTok shop. 4. The math to $100. Average profit per shirt/mug, 8-12. You need roughly 10 sales a day. Scale strategy. Post 3 to 5 behind the scenes or product reveal videos on TikTok/Instagram daily to drive organic traffic for free. 3. Digital products and faceless channels. Many Americans are earning $100 plus per day by selling digital templates or through YouTube/TikTok ad revenue without ever showing their face. Step-by-step execution. 1. Identify a problem. People pay for speed. Can you create a budgeting spreadsheet, fitness planner, or social media content calendar? 2. Creation. Use Notion or Google Sheets to build the product. 3. The storefront. Host your digital product on StanStore or Gumroad. These platforms handle the payments and file delivery automatically. 4. Marketing. Create a faceless social media account. Use AI-generated stock footage from sites like Pexels or Canva and an AI voiceover to explain the benefits of your product. 5. Consistency. Post daily. One viral video can generate 500 minus 1,000 in a single day, which averages out to over $100 per day long term. 4. Remote closing or appointment setting. If you are good at communicating, this is one of the highest paying no-degree roles in the U.S. You work for an online coach or a SaaS, software as a service company. Step-by-step execution. 1. The role. You respond to DMs, direct messages on a company's Instagram or LinkedIn, and book calls for their sales team. 2. Finding work. Look on LinkedIn or Twitter, X for appointment setter or remote closer roles. 3. The pay structure. Base pay plus commission. Many setters earn $50 per set, a booked call that shows up. 2 successful bookings a day equals $100. Important success factors for 2026. The 2-hour rule. Dedicate the first 2 hours of your day to deep work. This is the work that actually generates money, outreach, creating content, or finishing client projects. Avoid shiny object syndrome. Pick one of the methods above and stick to it for 90 days. Most people fail because they switch methods every week. Taxes. Remember that as an online earner in the USA, you are an independent contractor. Set aside 20 to 30% of your earnings for self-employment taxes. Summary table. Path to $100 per day. Method. Effort level. Time to first $100. Scalability. Freelancing. High, 1 to 2 weeks. High, print on demand. Medium, 2 to 4 weeks. Very high, digital products. Medium, 3 to 6 weeks. Infinite, remote setting. High, 1 week. Moderate, which of these paths sounds most like your current skill set? I can give you a more specific plan for the one you prefer.